roundabout thing at the beginning where it starts. Well, if you're doing that piece of road, it will start at 0. Anywhere else, all the way to Cape Reinga, it's going to start at a funny number, like say 634.238 or something, right? And then you might finish at 674.823. So that distance will change. It won't always be 0. On your assignment it'll be 0, and your test it won't be. By the way, there will be a long section in the test. You will all not be able to avoid it. It is part of the compulsory questions. And you will need to be able to calculate these things with a calculator in the test. I will step you through that with CAD, so we can do it on CAD. And you'll probably prefer to do it on CAD when I show you how to do it this evening and on Thursday. But you also need to do it with a calculator. The old story, computer says yes, but is it right? You should be able to check. When I'm checking your drawings, I don't check them on AutoCAD, I check them with my calculator. So if I'm going through, I will check it. Yeah.
Excuse me, when you said distance, I didn't catch what you mean by distance.
Distance on a long section is an accumulative, which means adding up all the time, from one end. So what this distance here will be 5 metres, 7.08, 9, etc. as you go along the long.
So it is consistent distance. Interval.
For your drawings, I expect you to do every 5 metres. Notice there's one every 5 metres. But where other points come down, sorry, you can't see the whole lot at the moment. Where some of these numbers, these things come down, like the tree, the platform, there'll be another distance altogether. So you need to add those funny, this one's 7.08, 09.56. So there'll be distances you need to put on there. And one thing to note, when the numbers are too close together, we crank one of them so we can fit these numbers in. So that line there is actually a false distance, but we need to put it there to show people that there are two lines there, because the lines are too close together to get a number in between. So we crank it, it's called cranking, and then we put the number in, but notice the distances are still 10 metres. One is for the tree or the side of the platform, and the other's for something else. So the last thing is the grade.
Roger, can I say something about the, the geographical feature of a tree?
Yep.
You're only doing one line for the centre of the geographical feature instead of drip line or trunk line.
Yeah. So we haven't got the drip line coming down there, correct? And it's something that's been left off the drawing that probably should be there. Alternatively, you could simply just put a dimension at the top of the tree saying, or a note saying X amount away. Alright? I don't give you drawings that are A drawings. This is sort of more like about a C. Good question. If you ask it in class, everybody gets to hear. If you send me an email, you can charge for it. Yeah, I did spend some time talking about the drip line for those that are a little bit wondering what I'm going on about. Lecture 1 and Lab 2, I think. We talked about the drip line, so yes, that's important to reflect that on the drawing somewhere. But you can do it in a note form, or you can do it with a dimension, or you could just do dash lines coming down from the drip line and put a distance to the centre. But we generally only pick the tree up on the centre. You will note here that there is also a ground line on the tree, here, right? That's important because that kind of shows us that there's something going on. The tree's either behind or in front. It can't be on the platform line, on the long section line itself.